our channel Insult BPO. Today, we're diving into the world of digital marketing, what it is, why it's essential, and how it can drive growth for your business. Let's start with a quick question. How do you discover products or services online? Do you search on Google, browse through social media, or maybe you click on ads that catch your eye? That's digital marketing at work. Digital marketing encompasses anything that promotes a business online, from social media posts, Google search results, and email campaigns, to video ads. It's how brands connect with you when you're browsing the web. Now, here's something to think about. When was the last time you checked your email or scrolled through Instagram? Likely just a few minutes ago. This is why digital marketing is so powerful. It's everywhere. Unlike traditional marketing methods like billboards or print ads, digital marketing allows businesses to meet you where you are, on your devices, 24/7. It's cost-effective, easy to track, and lets brands interact with you in real time.